Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get the Autotune filter on TikTok. So as you've been browsing through TikTok, you've been noticing they've been using the new Autotune filter, and you're wondering how to use this filter and where to find it. So let me show you how to find the Autotune filter and how to use it. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store and make sure TikTok has been updated to the latest version. Once that is updated, go ahead and open the app. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign to post a video. Now here you want to go ahead and record yourself a video. Here you want to go ahead and tap on 15 seconds. And now you want to go ahead and start recording yourself singing a song. Now once you've recorded yourself a video, go ahead and press next, and then you'll come into TikTok's editing screen. On this page here, you want to go ahead and tap on this down arrow here, and then you want to tap on the voice icon, which looks like a microphone. You'll get some voice filters which you can choose. Scroll all the way down until you see Autotune, which will be just on the top right. So go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to go ahead and listen to your voice.
Welcome to the Simple Dad TikTok tutorial.
And now if you like it, go ahead and tap on save. And now you can go ahead and post this video to TikTok. It's not a filter, it's just an effect which you add after you've recorded on TikTok. So there you go guys. That is how to get the Autotune filter on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.